What's up, guys? So today we're doing something pretty special. We're actually going to do a car show vlog. So basically, every Saturday or every first Saturday of the month, they do this car show down in Golden, and it runs from like May to October every first Saturday of the month. So this has been going on forever. So I'm going to take you guys on this journey to show you this car show. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we're going to start over here by Advanced Auto Parts and Sonic. But we're just going to kind of just walk through, look at the nice cars. The Mustang. We'll go look at this Mustang. Gosh darn, look at that. Look at the blower on that guy. But yeah, this has been going on for several years. Oh, look at this guy over here. Like, look at that. That's a beast right there. Now this is a pretty large car show. Like, it goes down probably about a mile down South Golden Road over here. But most of the cars park up over by Sonic. There's a Barbie car. That's awesome. But yeah, typically there's like crews that come out and they'll park in their designated spots, I guess. So like all the Mustangs will stick together, all the Corvettes will stick together. But yeah, look at that Pontiac over there. And then Sonic, these are like, this is where always the guys line up like at 6 a.m. and get the best spot to be at Sonic. So you can see all the Chargers and everything together. Wow, look at that engine bay. That's crazy. Loving that purple. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Alright, now we're coming down kind of to the big spot. But like, oh, look at that.
See a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Got the Eclipse over there. Yeah, they have this whole spot blocked off over here. They're doing construction on something. But typically there's a lot of cars. We'll go down there. There's still cars down there. Look at that Hellcat Dodge. You got some old trucks here. Oh, look how pretty that is. You got the nice Beamer over here. Yeah, I used to work at this fuel station right here for King Soopers, and like during these days it's so cool just to watch all the cars come through. But yeah, this is like the biggest part of the thing. And they're blocking off most of it. This Viper's actually pretty sick. Look at the emblem like glowing. That's pretty cool. But yeah, this basically goes all day long. People start lining up at 6, and then they do like a big cruise during the night, and they'll all drive their cars down the thing, down the road. Let me get out of the way. We got this Lotus over here. Nice Lotus. Then we got this I want to say Model T or Model A. It looks a little long to be a Model A. With the wood. Now let's get into like the big area with more cars. Wow. Well, that guy has a Corvette engine in this. That probably puts out some serious speed. Yeah, this is where you see all the really nice cars. Lots of classics. I'm wearing my Cadillac shirt today because I used to ride a Cadillac, but most of the time I just bought a new Infiniti Q50. I'm waiting for this car to pass. Enjoying it, so I might have to get an Infiniti shirt. We got this T-Rex over here. Oh, it looks like a little motorcycle. Little three-wheel vehicle. That's awesome. Got a nice old school Bronco right there. We're walking in between cars now. Oh, I'm not seeing the Countach because he's usually over here. Oh, look at that Corvette. All the Mustangs. Got the Hemi. Look at this truck coming by. Nice little truck. I shouldn't really say little, it's a pretty big truck. We're gonna kind of walk out into traffic right now just to get around this bend. Yeah, and then these people typically up here play music. There's t-shirts and all of that up there. It looks a little today. I don't know, with this like construction wall over here. There's not too many cars like there normally is. Got a lowrider over here. I had a bee land on me. Got the low rider. See him take the corner. So yeah, I'm just walking down the road right now, and yeah, I told you guys, this goes forever. Like, I'm just walking down the road now. We're gonna go down a little bit by McDonald's. And yeah, we're gonna go figure out what's down there. We're gonna come over here by the car wash. And yeah, but I will show you guys how long this road is and how long this actually goes. So this is how it is right now. You can see a bunch of cars already. We got someone showing off over there. But yeah, it goes all the way from up there all the way down to Taco Bell, which is about a mile. But yeah, we're coming up on some other cars. My phone, I forgot to tell you guys, my phone has been overheating doing this. So I'm gonna have to find, look at this guy. I'm gonna have to find like a ice pack to put on my phone if I do more outdoor vlogs like this. But we got some people posted up here. And it's all beautiful cars. This is like one of the largest car shows I've ever seen. Like my whole life. Got the guy going around the roundabout again in his car. Oh, look at that Buick. It's pretty. Yeah, just some backstory for you guys. Yeah, this has been happening since I was like way young, and it's really awesome because it's a big thing that the Golden community, and I don't know where some of these people come from, but this has been going on since I was a kid. My friend said it was going on since his dad was a kid, so it's been a while. But yeah, well, I've never like taken the opportunity to walk the whole thing. But yeah, we're right down by Taco Bell right now, so this is about where it ends, and over by King Soopers is where it started. But you could see like there's people lining up. I mean, everyone like just sits out here, watches all the cars go by all the time. But it's so great. Yeah, it gets a little sparse up here, but we could go ahead and look at these cars up here. Look at that nice purple car. it would help if I knew more about cars. I know more about foreign cars than I do about like American muscle cars. But yeah, this is about where it ends. We're gonna cross the street over here and we're gonna go back up and look at that. But I hope to show you guys the cruise that happens around 5. So that's about an hour from now. But yeah, look at this Rolls. I didn't realize it was a Rolls until I passed it, and it says Rolls. It's for sale. But look at that. Got that nice interior. Got that nice front end with the... Oh, such a nice car. Got these cool rat rods over here. Look at these guys. This one's like steampunk themed. Look at that crown. It's awesome. And we got the Porsche GTR3 or GT3 RS. It's a beautiful car. See, these are the cars I'm into. It's awesome. Now look at the paint job on this guy. Yeah, we're gonna head back up and then I'll show you guys some more cars. Got this cool steam engine car. Looks like it was made out of like a truck. It's the crazy things you see at these type of things. It's so cool. It goes all the way up there too. Like there's not much up there, but there's definitely things up there. But yeah, this is the whole thing. It's one of my favorite car shows to go to. Look at the rims on that Camaro. So nice. So I came in here to show you guys how far this route actually is. Like, this isn't just some parking lot. It actually goes down far. So over here, we have King Soopers. And we're going to go all the way down to Taco Bell. And it looks like the cruise is kind of starting, because it's starting to get a little busy up in here. And now we're passing the King Soopers Fuel Center. It's quite a bit of traffic right now, but this is kind of how the cruise is. It's a little trafficy. It gets worse around 5. So this actually all used to go all the way down to the town of Golden, but a couple years ago they stopped doing that because it would make the town busy and the traffic was insane. So they just did it to like this little strip of road. But it would have been cool to kind of go see it down at Golden. But we're kind of just following the route right now. It's a little slow. This This nice Chevy right here. Yeah, and you could see there's a lot more cars and people out, it seems like. But yeah, we'll do the loop. I'll show you guys the loop. Got a little traffic jam going on. It's got to stop for some people. It's a hot day, guys. It's super hot. My car is rating 90 degrees. My phone's overheated 6 times already. But I gotta get this content out to you guys. But yeah, basically, here's the end of the route. It ends at this big roundabout right here. We gotta stop to let some people cross the road. I'm just sitting by the row, ready for the cruise to start. I actually might join the cruise. I'm gonna see how bad traffic is and see if I could get into it. But I'm gonna film a little bit of it for you guys before I get into it. But this is kind of what we're looking at right now. Not too many cars, but it's definitely starting. Not too many at the moment. We got some nice overcast right now, so it's really nice because of this hot weather. But yeah, just get to see all the cars pass by. A lot of civilian cars still, but yeah, this is kind of how it is right now. I'm just chilling on the ground. Ready for this to start. It should be starting here in like 45 minutes, so, or actually less, like 15 minutes. But yeah, it's been a fun day. Got the rare spawn Lambo right there. We got a motorcycle coming up. We got my caddy. I didn't get it on film, but there was a real nice caddy that just passed by. But yeah, every Saturday in Golden, or every first Saturday of the month in Golden. Wow, look at that car. We got a fellow Infiniti over there. Oh, he turned her. There he is. Yeah. Got the Jurassic Park vehicle rolling up. about 5:30 now, so I'm gonna let you guys just enjoy some of the cars. The other side of the road is way better than this side of the road, but I'll try to film. But I'm just gonna give you guys some car ASMR. Enjoy. Got the pit bikes coming, the Groms. I want a Grom so bad. Well, that is it. That was the Golden Super Cruise. I'm glad I brought you guys on this journey to show you how cool this car show really is. It happens every first Saturday of the month from May to October. I hope you guys enjoyed. I try to get as much footage as possible for you guys, but my phone kept overheating all day. But that's why some of these clips, they got just randomly cut off. I'm sorry about that, but it happens. It was 90 degrees out today. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed doing this. This is my first time going out on my own, trying to record a vlog for you guys, all on my own, trying to do like a legit actual vlog with more footage. But yeah, thank you guys. I also want some criticism. Please tell me how I can improve, because that's the way I could get better. Just put down in the comment section what you would like me to do, like what other vlogs I could do for you guys. I have some ideas. This was one of them. But yeah, just some criticism, how I can improve, what I should do. But yeah, thank you guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Deuces!
Thank you.